Zhuhai, an exquisite coastal city often referred to as the capital of printing consumables, serves as the home of HYB toner.
Hello, I'm Fajr Noor from HYB Toner, and I am thrilled to extend my invitation to you for joining us in Zhuhai at the RT World EXPO. We are delighted to welcome you for a visit to our factory where you can witness our state-of-the-art cartridge manufacturing facilities. And we have dedicated toner laboratories designed specifically for copiers. Looking forward to your worthy presence.
HYB is a multinational group and a global leader in the copier imaging industry, producing toners, component parts, and other supplies mainly for copiers. HYB offers a full range of high-performance toners with proven quality, sustainability, and safety, and has been the first choice of over 1,000 customers from 105 countries, including 42 global distributors carrying the HYB, Zeus, and Zicam trademarks. HYB is the best provider of one-stop copier solutions and a reliable imaging products provider that you can trust.